Here's the wizard. You can see darker coloured columns for feedback from Oracle, lighter ones for the sales order values themselves. The basic sheet is pretty comprehensive, with sections for all the values you might want to enter against your sales orders. At the top, there are toolbar ribbons with buttons to drive the process. James can easily transfer his sales order information from the listing into the worksheet with copy and paste. Because he's lined up his worksheet columns to match his source document, you can see all the values appearing in the right places. He can then add in any information missing from the source document. He might do that by entering the values directly into the sales order row, or by pressing this button or double-clicking into a sales order entry. He can open up an edit form to enter in the values that way. He's not yet connected to Oracle, so he clicks the Log On button, enters his user and password, and selects the responsibility with authority for this task. In the edit form, he can use the controls to pick validated values from drop-down lists, and you can see he has access to all the columns on the sheet. Now in this case, James wants to use the same values for all his new sales orders, so it's quicker to enter the value into this defaults row, which will populate the sheet with that value where one isn't provided. You can see he's already set up a few defaults. When he's ready, he can upload the sales orders to Oracle. In the toolbar, he has a button to validate the data, and another to upload the data. The upload will perform the validations anyway, so he'll just use that, clicking on Upload All to process all the information in the worksheet. You can see the wizard validating the sales order data and then calling the Oracle Public API for each one, and in a matter of seconds they're all loaded. The process has also populated the sheet with a lot of the descriptive information defaulted by Oracle, giving him a good picture of what has happened, and scrolling down shows they've all been processed. He can obviously verify they exist in Oracle too. The wizard returned the new sales order numbers, so he copies one of those and pastes it into the Oracle form to view it. There's the header, and there's the 3 lines.